If you wonder if Redmi Note 14S does support reverse charging, let me quickly tell you. Right here I have that phone that I'd like to charge using the Redmi Note 14S, and if you want to use this reverse charging feature, it is important to remember to connect your devices in the correct order. So the phone, which will act as a source of power, in this case the Redmi Note 14S, you'd like to connect this cable to this phone in the first place. So let's connect this cable right here. And then in the second place you will connect this already connected cable to our device, to our Redmi Note 14S, to another device which you'd like to charge. So let's connect it in the second place right here. And as I connect it, this should start charging our device. So yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, the Redmi Note 14S does support reverse charging. And remember, if you want to use this reverse charging feature, remember to connect your devices in the correct order.